Let's take a look now at question number 28 on DS section of the 2015 official guide for GMAT. In this question, we're asked about a wage increase and the corresponding hours of work decrease. So let's represent some of our variables here first. Let's represent the wage, hourly wage, with W. And we'll represent the fewer hours worked, some number of hours worked, with an H. Okay? So here we have, based on the information given, W plus 1.5, that's the wage increase, times 30 minus H, that's the fewer hours, supposed to be the same as the current earning, which is wage times 30. So there are two variables here, W and H, and we already know one equation is given above by the problem itself. This tells us that we only need one more equation to solve it, and condition 1 gives us one equation, condition 2 gives us one equation, so it makes it likely that D will be our answer. And indeed it is, but let's see why. In condition 1, converting that into an equation, it says that the current wage, W times 30, is 225, so wage turns out to be 7.5. And plugging this into the previous equation that we saw, 7.5 plus 1.5 times 30 minus some fewer hours is equal to 225. This works out to be H equals 5 hours. So condition 1 is sufficient to solve the problem. What about condition 2? In condition 2, we have 0.2 W, that's 20% of wage, that's equal to $1.5. So it tells us that wage is 7.5, and again, hours decrease is 5, and so condition 2 is sufficient by itself as well, and D becomes our answer. This sort of problem-solving approach is called the variable approach method, and nowadays it's the most effective way to reach a correct answer in the DS section of GMAT Math.